The important circular functions that will be discussed in the next lessons are based on a function w called the wrapping function. The domain of the wrapping function is the set of all real numbers, and the range of the wrapping function is the set of all points on the unit circle. This means that every real number is to be mapped to a certain point on the unit circle. By the unit circle, we mean that the center is located at 0, 0 and has a radius of 1. The equation representing this circle is u squared plus v squared equals 1. Applying the wrapping function, we have, for example, x is an element of a real number. And then, w of x will now be equal to the coordinate a, b. This is now what we call the circular point. Graphically, in doing the wrapping function, we first place the origin, or 0, of the number line at the point 1, 0. As you can see, the positive real axis is located at the upper half of our graph. Now, we wrap it around the unit circle counterclockwise. And then the negative real axis is located at the lower half, and so we wrap it around the unit circle clockwise. Now let us try doing some exercise. We'll be doing think, pair, share. Where do you think are the values like 14 and negative 100 located on the unit circle? Note that approximately one circle is 2 pi, or pi is 3.14. Therefore, one full circle is approximately 6.28. To apply the wrapping function, wrap the number line until such time that you arrive at the given real number. Can you do it? Of course you can. Moving on, let us evaluate for w of x given w of 2 pi. We know that it is to be mapped into some coordinate a, b. We now place our starting point at 1, 0. We also know that the circumference of the unit circle is 2 pi. And so, right, the point lies on the coordinates 1, 0. Now let's have another example. Evaluate for w of x given w of negative pi. Note that our real number is a negative number. Therefore, after placing our point at 1, 0, we move clockwise. And so the coordinate that represents w of negative pi is negative 1, 0. Now that you have seen this video, you are now ready to evaluate more real numbers and apply the wrapping function. Before that, here's something to think about. Let's do Rally Robin A, B. Letter A. is the wrapping function 1 to 1? And the question for letter B, are all points on the Cartesian plane circular points? Continue your discussion until 2 minutes is up.